Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a super Android technology launcher. It's a tech-based launcher. It will be so technologically look like on the appearance. Its launcher will look like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the revolutionary launcher application from the Play Store first. So this is the launcher. As I said, it is a super tech launcher. You have a clock on the top and also some data usage and your RAM percentage and the date and time. Around the center you have the battery percentage and also about your battery thing, and also there is a lot of automatically customized folder. You can just click on this folder, it open like this, and also have a great animation. And also just next page you have the weather things like weather degree. You can just customize the your city by clicking on the weather setting. And here the third page is about the music page. You can just run the music here directly. So just click on the setting option to customize your city here. So and also have a beautiful app settings, and click on this three dot here. You can just change the theme color and also the wallpaper. It's a beautiful tech launcher. Try this, and if you like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.